The concept of a planet dying can have different interpretations depending on the context. In a scientific sense, a planet does not experience death like a living organism. However, celestial bodies can undergo significant changes or reach the end of their life cycles. Here are a few scenarios that describe the potential fate of a planet. Stellar evolution. If a planet orbits a star, it may be affected by the star's life cycle. For example, when a star similar to our Sun exhausts its nuclear fuel, it expands into a red giant, engulfing any nearby planets. This would essentially destroy the planet. Collision. Planets can collide with other celestial objects, such as asteroids, comets, or even other planets. A significant impact could disrupt the planet's structure, cause widespread devastation, and potentially render it uninhabitable or completely destroyed. Runaway greenhouse effect. If a planet's atmosphere experiences an extreme greenhouse effect, it could lead to a catastrophic rise in temperature, causing the planet's surface to become inhospitable for life as we know it. This process is thought to have occurred on Venus, resulting in its current extreme conditions. Tidal forces. If a planet orbits too close to its parent star or another massive object, tidal forces can gradually pull it apart. This phenomenon, known as tidal disruption, can lead to the disintegration of the planet or its eventual fragmentation. Stellar interaction. In some cases, when two stars are part of a binary system, one star may expand as it evolves, engulfing its companion planet. Alternatively, gravitational interactions between stars can disrupt planetary orbits, ejecting planets from their systems or causing them to collide. Aging of the universe. On an extremely long timescale, the universe itself will continue to evolve. As it expands and ages, the availability of energy sources necessary to sustain life in planetary systems may diminish. Eventually, in trillions or quadrillions of years, the universe might become inhospitable for the existence of planets and life as we know it. It's important to note that the timescales and specific processes involved in the death of a planet can vary greatly depending on various factors, such as the type of planet, its location, and the circumstances it encounters.